Hey, hey! Welcome back to Code, Clicks, and Convert, a podcast by B3Net, where we talk about AI, digital marketing, and web development to help you keep up with the digital world. This is episode 2, and if you're new here, you're in for a ride. I'm Vera, and with me is John.
Hi.
This is the podcast where tech meets tactics. We break down digital marketing, development, AI, and all the messy stuff in between, with a little bit of fun. Today's episode, it's spicy. Google just dropped MUVERA, the new algorithm update that's shaking up search faster than you can say rankings gone.
So Google just dropped a new algorithm update, and it's called MUVERA. Not to be confused with my co-host, though the names are dangerously close.
Yeah, I've been getting messages already. But just to be clear, I'm Vera. I fix websites. MUVERA breaks your traffic.
Got it. Vera writes the code. MUVERA rewrites your fate on Google.
Although I must say, MUVERA sounds like a luxury spa treatment, right?
Oh yeah, cleanse your search results with MUVERA.
But seriously, what's this about?
Google just dropped their new MUVERA algorithm. It's aimed at improving search experience by filtering out what they call lowest quality results. So no more SEO spam, low-effort AI blog mills, or 5-paragraph intros about nothing.
So you're telling me my 3,000-word post on what is digital marketing in 2025 might not rank anymore? Devastating.
If it doesn't actually help users? Yep. MUVERA is using deeper semantic analysis and user satisfaction signals. Think clicks, engagement, and what happens after you visit a site.
Ooh, so it's not just what's on the page, it's how people interact with it?
Exactly. And they're not just tweaking. This is a foundational update, reportedly the biggest since the original helpful content update.
Okay, but why did Google even build this thing? Wasn't their old system working fine?
Older systems like Colbert were smart, but super slow and expensive to run. They used a lot of computing power. MUVERA fixes that by turning lots of little data points into a single fast searchable one, without losing accuracy.
So basically, Google wanted something that's smarter and faster. And MUVERA checks both boxes.
Exactly.
Okay, real talk. If I'm running an e-com store or any kind of online service, should I be freaking out right now?
Not freaking out, but definitely leveling up. MUVERA means that exact keywords matter less. What matters more is whether your content actually answers the question the searcher is asking. Focus on answering real questions, not just stuffing keywords. Giving original insights, not generic fluff. Designing your site for usability and trust, not just rankings. So if someone types corduroy jackets men's medium, Google's not just looking for those words. It's looking for a product page that really matches that intent.
So no more top 10 AI tools articles written by AI?
Correct. Google's over your ChatGPT blog factory.
All right, marketers, listen up. Here's what MUVERA means for conversion nerds like me. Bounce rate just became your SEO lifeline. Real UX is king. If your site reads like a scam, Google's out. And hey, no more 10 pop-ups before someone sees your CTA. MUVERA's watching.
Yeah, so are your users, and they're closing the tab. Real talk. Helpful content converts better anyway. Google's just catching up to what good marketers already knew.
Bottom line, MUVERA is Google's way of saying, don't game the system, serve your audience.
If you create content that helps people fast, you're not just winning traffic, you're winning trust and sales.
That's it for me and John for today. Thanks for joining us on Code, Clicks, and Convert. We hope this helped you better understand what MUVERA means for the future of search and SEO. We hope this episode gave you a clearer view of what MUVERA means and how you can adapt your strategy as search keeps evolving.
As always, we'll be here breaking down the latest in AI, marketing, and web tech, helping you stay ahead of the curve.
Don't forget to follow the show, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and we'll see you in the next one.